Today I want to talk about keywords. Now let's understand quickly what is the existing role keywords play so that when a user is searching for my products, my website appears in the search result. Most of our websites, e-com websites, are SEO optimized, and when a user is searching, let's say, t-shirts under $9, then if I am selling t-shirts under $9, then all the others who have optimized for similar keywords, it appears. Well, keyword is one parameter, and there are a lot of other parameters which are mostly technical in nature, UI, UX, which we have all done all the time. Today, I want to focus just on the keyword match aspect. What does that mean? It means that, well, I have been always optimizing my t-shirts under 99 with certain similar keywords, which if you go to any keyword planner, you will realize has the maximum searches. Now, how about I try and innovate the keywords a little bit more? Now, what I'm suggesting is something which I have analyzed from my experience observing a lot of keywords and websites. This, however, is not a proven result, but if you are somebody who's willing to experiment and see that whether I can jump from rank 4 to rank 3 or rank 3 to rank 2, will this logic help? While we have our existing keywords, which is t-shirts under $9, I add one aspect to it in the headline, which is the target audience. If I just write there t-shirts under $9 for Gen Zs or t-shirts under $9 for college students, what am I doing? I'm specifying my target audience. And second aspect, which is very important before somebody clicks onto it, are the 2-3 lines of descriptions that we write below the headline. Here, let's take 2 types of t-shirts. For the same headline, I can have 2 different types of t-shirts. One that talks about intelligent typos, bold colors, comfy fit, very specific to the cool Gen Z, the cool relaxed Gen Z who are very free-spirited. And the second could be bold colors or dark colors. There's a difference between the word dark and bold. When you say bold colors, you mean colors that very less people will be comfortable carrying. When you say dark colors, they are just darker shades. Dark colors reflect a certain personality. Bold colors reflect another. So when I'm describing it by symbol-based creatives on t-shirts and loose fit and dark colors, it's different than typo-based t-shirts with, let's say, pop colors. Both are targeting to Gen Z, but different set of audiences will like both these t-shirts. So what am I doing? I figured out the existing keywords that have the maximum clicks, which is t-shirts under $9. Then I'm adding for Gen Zs, for college students, for the young adults, whichever way you want to define your target audience. And in the description, I'm analyzing what type of this Gen Z, what type of t-shirt will the Gen Zs like. And I said there is one lot who will like pop colors, there is another lot who will like dark colors with typos, intelligent, bold, and there could be another lot who says, no, I just want single colors. So there could be so many different types in which we do it. But I want to explain the way of thinking to you that in the existing keyword, define your target audience. And in your description, define how they would like or how they would feel when they wear it, and what are the various moods or types of Gen Z who would wear different types of t-shirts. Remember, I'm not talking of tight-fitting or stylish t-shirts. I'm just in the segment of loose-fitting t-shirts for Gen Zs. And even within that segment, there are so many sub-segments. So identify that and use it to describe use the words correctly to describe what you think, which category of Gen Z would like your offering, and write it in your description and see if it helps. Well, I feel it will. And let's keep our fingers crossed as we keep innovating every aspect of digital every day. Most importantly, keywords, because it's kind of becoming a lifeline of digital. All the best. Do try and do let us know in the comments if this thought process is working for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.